Hi, I'm Ethan, and in today's video, I will be explaining how I complete my question 4 and 5 on my math assignment. For question 4a, I found out the x-intercepts 1 and 2 of the quadratic curve by using the quadratic formula minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. The x-intercepts change whenever I am changing the values of a, b, and c. I also realized that once c was 1 or more, there will be no real solution as the graph does not intersect the x-axis. For question 4b, I used the complete the square form to find out how to solve the equation. Overall, I didn't have much difficulty on both questions. For question 5a, though it was time consuming, I had fun challenging myself to make the orange curve fit the target curve. My observations was that increasing a will make the graphs slimmer, while decreasing a will make it wider. I found that increasing b will make the graph tilt to the left, while decreasing b will make the graph tilt to the right. Increasing c meant that the graph would have a higher y-intercept, while decreasing meant a smaller y-intercept. For question 5b, I started off with making x 0, which allowed me to find c, which was minus 4.645. Afterwards, I used simultaneous equations and substitution to find out the values of a and b. And so, that was how I completed my question 4 and 5. Thank you.